First, you're going to put 2 tablespoons or so of sugar into the blender, and then add 1/3 cup of strawberries. I use frozen ones that I just defrosted. Then you're going to pulse it on high until it's smooth. Then you're going to take about 1/3 cup of hot water and then about a teaspoon or so of matcha powder. Then you're going to mix it together until it's dissolved. I think I was supposed to use a whisk, so instead I put it in the blender because it was faster. Okay, that's much better. So now that the matcha is nice and frothy, you're going to put in a separate container, and now we're going to assemble. You're going to do the strawberry puree on the bottom, then add a good amount of ice, just depending on how much ice you usually like in your drinks. Then you're going to add milk, and do it very slowly so that it doesn't mix too much with the strawberry. I think it's about a half a cup. Now you're going to add the matcha, and I think it's good to try to use the ice cubes to help the liquid not fall into the glass too fast, so that it will still float and hover on top of the milk. Now I didn't do the best job, but it doesn't really affect the taste. So I hope you like it. Enjoy!